Dummies. So when I was a kid, I really did not like school. I did not like paying attention. I was literally just like floating around in class every single day. I just didn't like school for some reason. So I thought, why not take a look at some of the funniest test answers from little kids ever, like this one right here. What ended in 1896? 1895. Hey, he's not lying, bro. Name the quadrilateral. Bob, Sam, Tedison, Kate, Harry. Bro, what? This is even funnier when you realize that they were actually given the different options. Rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, square. Like, this is the square, this is the rectangle, and then all the other ones, I have no idea. I ain't gonna lie. That kid just doesn't care. Okay, so their homework is to be a Chinese immigrant in 1870 and write a letter home describing your experiences. Your letter should include all the things you do in the West. And somebody just wrote a bunch of different Chinese letters. Hey, technically that's right. I mean, they were supposed to write a letter in English and talk about what they would do if they were a Chinese immigrant in 1870. But like, low key, if you had to write a letter as a Chinese immigrant, you'd be writing in Chinese. This kid shouldn't get that wrong, bro. Briefly explain what hard water is. Ice. He's not wrong. 1 over n sin x equals, okay, I have no idea what the hell any of that means. This kid crossed out the n, crossed out that n, and now he has 6 equals 6. Oh, because SIX equals 6. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how the hell he did that or why the hell he did that. I don't know what the hell any of that means, but nice. Before you read, some atoms share electrons and become more stable. Describe a situation in where people share something and everyone benefits. Communism. Okay. Name Frankie. I earn money at home by I don't. I am a freeloader. Hey, at least this kid's honest, bro. Like, most kids would have wrote like, oh, I earned money by doing the dishes, or I earn money because I'm rich. This kid was being honest. Hey, I'm a freeloader. My parents do everything for me. That's pretty cool. I like Frankie. Find X. Here it is. That's something I think I've done that before. Hey, just circle it. That's where X is. There you go. Say it and write it. Cow. Okay, they got that right. Bird. Yep, got that right. Cat. Yep. Dog. Yep. Fish. Yep. Duck. Oh, they did not write duck. Oh, damn, this kid, he must have knew what he was doing, bro. The difference between 180 and 158 is 22. That's correct. Yeah, that's correct. Explain how you found your answer in problem 4. Math. He's not lying. I mean, yeah, it's true. I always hated when they would be like, explain how you got your answer, explain why you got your answer. No, I got my answer. I don't remember how I got my answer. I barely got I don't even think I got the answer right. So why would I explain my wrong answer? Get out of here. Where was the Declaration of Independence signed? At the bottom. Okay, so the cause is Tony practices the piano 20 minutes every day. What's the effect of Tony doing the piano every single day? He is a big nerd. Bro, this kid's already roasting people, and he's like 4 years old. Also, why the hell is he roasting an imaginary kid? Come on now. To change centimeters to meters, you do what? You take out centi. Once again, that is literally accurate. It's just not the answer they're looking for. Unscramble the words to make a sentence. Okay, is pen in goat my Okay, I think it's gonna be my goat is in a pen. Yeah, that makes sense. The kid said, my pen is in a, oh God. Oh God. The first cells were probably lonely. Yeah, true. The first ever cells in the human whole history, they were just by themselves. That's so sad. During what stage do the chromosomes line? The teacher wrote, no way, and crossed it out, gave him 0 points for that. Bro, y'all be hating. Miranda can't see anything when she looks down her microscope, suggesting why she can't. She is blind. I mean, yeah, that's true. If you can't see in the microscope, maybe you might be blind. Draw a picture of what you will look like in 100 years. In 100 years, I will be blank years old. This is the picture. Warren drew a picture of him in 100 years. Hey, that's pretty accurate. We're probably all gonna be dead. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune have at least 3 things in common. List them. Okay, if I were to do this, I would have no idea. I don't know what they have in common. Maybe they all have moons and something. They are all planets. They are all round. And none of them have McDonald's. I guess this probably might be the fattest kid in the class. Why are you thinking about McDonald's when we're talking about planets, bro? Take a break. Who is your hero? My father. Why did they mark that out? What the hell? Why do you consider this guy a hero? He's not afraid of anything. Why'd they mark that off? What's wrong with that? Is there anything your hero is frightened of? My mom. Oh, okay. But they didn't mark that one? All right. Okay, apparently this kid is trying to explain his penny collection. He likes collecting pennies. 100th day of kindergarten. My collection is pennies. Oh, God. He misspelled pennies really bad. Can my collection be eaten? No, you can't eat pennies. My collection is 68 inches. Damn, that's a lot of pennies. My collection weighs 22 blocks. The color of my collection is brown. Oh, God, little Timmy. Learn all about me. My name is Charlotte. I'm 2.5 years old. The people who are important to me are my family. Some of my favorite things are Minions, Baby Dolls, and the Rebel Alliance. I don't like Grandpa Joe. What the hell did Grandpa Joe do to Charlotte? Hold on. Why does she not like Grandpa Joe? All right, so this kid's name is Jonas. He has to match all of these words, all of these animal names to the animals. So this is a shark. Yep, he got that right. Polar bear. Arctic hare. Yep, Arctic fox. Walrus. Word bank. Oh, this kid, instead of using seal, the last one, he thought word bank was one. Oh my God. This kid put word bank. Circle the smallest number, 3 or 10. This kid circled 10. Tell or show how you know the answer. And he just put a rainbow. What? Almost all of these have had like some sense. Like these kids have said like, oh, I don't know. Like they've made sense. This kid just drew a rainbow. He just had no freaking clue. A farmer has 3.8 kilograms of wheat. If the farmer had 3 bags of 4.7 kilograms of wheat, how much wheat would there be left? I don't know. Ask the farmer. Duh. I mean, yeah, why are you asking me about this farmer? I'm not a farmer. I'm just a little kid doing my homework, dude. Okay, list out every single F word you know. Fart. What? Just fart? Can you think of more? FF. This kid literally doesn't know any words except for fart. Who are his parents, bro? Which is the best estimate for the length of a football? 1 foot, 4 feet, 5 feet, or 8 feet? This kid put 1 foot, but then put ball. 1 football. Hey, I mean, he's kind of right. Imagine that you lived at the same time as Abraham Lincoln. What would you say to him or ask him? I'd tell him not to go to a play ever. Abraham Lincoln died at a play. Okay, clever, clever. How is the brain like a cantaloupe? List 7 ways brain is similar to cantaloupe. I don't really know. It's the same shape, I guess? It is delicious. Hold on, bro. We gotta... What? Come up with an equation that's true when x equals 7. Be creative. You can make the equation as simple or as complex as you want. X equals 7. That's facts. The teacher wrote, really? With a question mark. Hey, you said you can make this as simple as you want. You're asking for an equation that says x equals 7. X equals 7. That's exactly what I would do. Can you draw this ship? That's a really nice drawing. No. Facts. I'm horrible at drawing. Hey, that's pretty clever. How many days are in a week? 7. Okay, yep, that's right. How many months are in a year? 12. Okay. Is this number even or odd? 68. How do you know? Because I'm smart. I mean, yeah, like, the kid isn't wrong, bro. What do you mean, how do I know? How many days are in a week? Because I learned it. How many months are in a year? I know I'm right because I learned it. What? I hate these stupid-ass questions, bro. Write down 5 words that you can spell. 5 words you can spell. Very clever. Hey, this kid, he's not lying, bro. Like, look, there are 5 words right there that he knows how to spell. Wait, he didn't even spell it right. This one doesn't even say spell. This says A-P-E-L-L. This kid's stupid. It's right there.